Hello guys, I hope you'll fine. So today I'm going to show how you can download PC Store on your desktop. So here we go. So first of all, you have to open your Chrome browser. So you can download it. So open your Chrome browser and type PC Play Store download. So type here PC Play Store download. Just download. So now click on enter, and then the site will open. You can see the links are provided on this interface, so you can have to download this link. I will provide this link on my description, so you can download from there. So click on this link. You can see a PC App Store download for PC. Okay, so click on this link. Now second interface will be open, so just wait. Okay, you can see here free download is showing, so you have to download. It's free application, no need to pay any money, so it's a free application. Now you have to click on LO4D UK. It will ask you which version you want to download on your PC, so click on lo4d.com UK, and now click here, because the download did not start automatically, so click here. Then the download start automatically. You can see in the left bottom. Okay, it will give you some security issues, so you have to keep the downloading on. So wait a second till the application downloads. It's an application of 22.2 MB, so it's a short application. Okay, so the application is downloaded. You can see the PC App Store. Okay, so open it, and just now it will ask you to install on your PC. Install it. It will take quite a while to install, so no need to get scared. It will download slowly or install slowly. Okay, so it has installed. So now the application will be open. You can see here all the apps are available here. You on the upper bottom side you can see Game Center, wallpaper, updates. You can also update your drivers or your application through this app. So you can search I'm searching Grand Theft Auto game, so you can see I'm searching, and here you can see the games available on this application, so you can install from this application. All the games are available on this application, so it's very easy. Now you can also update your any driver or any application like VLC, like Window Media Player or WinRAR Achiever. You can also update your Windows through this application, so it's very useful application. I'm not updating my WinRAR now because I don't have to install my latest version. So you can also install and update these types of application. You can see here another application are also available like Baidu Antivirus, Baidu PC Faster, Spark, Skype. You can also install Skype from this. Minecraft is also available on this application, so you can download. So yeah guys, this is the short tutorial that how you can download any app through this application. So yeah, this is the video, and subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon also, and like the video. Thank you.